Hello everyone.
Hi, I'm Arshbeer.
I'm Vibhin.
And I'm Purab.
We are from grade 7 at ATL Public School. Our problem statement revolves around toys and games for education. We aim to design toys and games that make learning interactive and fun for children aged 2 to 12.
Our research indicated a significant challenge. Many students in India struggle to reach the required proficiency in basic mathematical concepts.
On the flip side, we also found evidence suggesting that games are an effective way to teach and reinforce these concepts.
That's when we decided to create something innovative, something that blends tradition with education. Introducing InfiOps, a game inspired by the traditional game Aliguli.
InfiOps is not just a game, it's an educational tool. The game board features 5 geometrical shaped pits for each player.
The rules are simple yet effective. InfiOps covers counting, addition, subtraction, multiplication tables, multiplication and descending order.
Marble distribution pattern is similar to Aliguli. The player selects a pit, picks up the marbles and distributes them one by one to the subsequent pits in a counterclockwise direction. If a player has only one empty pit at the end of distribution, they collect the marbles from the pit next to the empty one and the opposite pit. If a player has 2 empty pits at the end of distribution, they cannot collect any marbles and the opponent gets the chance to continue.
Addition rules. While playing, players should be on the lookout for sets of 3 pits, where adding the marbles from 2 pits equals to the marbles in the third pit. If a player identifies such a combination in the row, they can call it out and collect it at the end of the distribution.
Subtraction rules. While playing, players should be on the lookout for a set of 3 pits where the number of marbles in the third pit is the result of subtracting the number of marbles in one pit from another, excluding all scenarios of 0 in the subtraction equation, and collect the marbles at the end of distribution from their row. Similarly, multiplication can be played.
Ascending and descending order rules. While playing, players should be on the lookout for sets of 3, 4 or 5 pits where the marbles are in either ascending or descending order. If they identify the order in 3 pits, they can collect the marbles with the fewest marbles among the 3. If they identify the order in 4 pits, they can collect the second highest numbered pits. If they identify order in 5 pits, they can collect the highest numbered pits.
This game is designed to be a valuable resource for teachers, especially for first grade and second grade classrooms. It's a fun way to introduce and reinforce basic mathematical concepts.
And it's not just for schools. InfiOps is perfect for homes too.
We've equally put our efforts and hearts into every aspect of this project, ensuring that InfiOps is both engaging and educational.
Thank you.